In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Outlook to its default settings in the quickest way possible, ensuring a fresh start for your email application. If you've been experiencing issues or simply want to wipe the slate clean, this guide is perfect for you. First, let's begin by making sure Microsoft Outlook is completely closed. This step is crucial because making changes while Outlook is running could lead to errors or incomplete setup. Once you're sure that Outlook is not running in the background, we can move on to the next step. Now let's open the Run command, which is a handy feature in Windows for opening programs quickly. You can do this by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard. A small box will appear on your screen. In this box, you'll need to type outlook.exe/profiles. Once you've typed it in, simply press Enter or click OK. This command will open the Mail Setup window, an essential starting point for resetting your settings. With the Mail Setup window open, we're ready to create a new profile. To do this, click on the option that says Show Profiles. You'll see a list of existing profiles and options to add a new one. Go ahead and click Add. Here, you need to enter a new profile name. You can choose something descriptive, like Default 2025, to remind you that this profile is clean and updated. After naming the profile, follow the prompts to add your email account again. This will connect your email to the new profile. Now that you have a new profile set up, it's time to make it the default profile. Still, in the Mail Setup window, look for the section that says When starting Microsoft Outlook. You'll want to select Always use this profile. Using the drop-down menu, choose the new profile you just created. Once you've done that, simply click Apply, then OK to save these changes. This step ensures that whenever you start Outlook, it automatically uses the fresh profile you just created. Finally, it's time to restart Outlook. Open the application as you normally would, and you'll notice it launches with default settings, a clean layout, and without any of your previous customizations. Congratulations! You've successfully reset Microsoft Outlook to its default state. And that's it! With these straightforward steps, you've given your Outlook a fresh start, clearing out any issues or clutter you may have experienced. Starting anew can often resolve persistent issues and give you a seamless email experience. Thank you for following along and enjoy your streamlined Outlook setup.